Keeping your home clean doesn't have to take hours. In this video, we'll show you 20 quick and easy cleaning hacks to tidy up every household item in just 5 minutes. From the fridge to the microwave, the sink to the mattress. These simple tricks will help you clean smarter, not harder. No fancy tools needed, just everyday items you already have at home. Get ready to refresh your space in no time. These hacks will save you time, effort, and money while keeping your home fresh. Whether it's removing stains, banishing odors, or organizing better, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and let's start cleaning. Number 1. Clean your refrigerator. Your refrigerator stores all your food, so it must be kept clean. First, remove all the food and discard any expired items. Take out the shelves and drawers, then wash them with warm, soapy water. For stubborn stains, scrub using a baking soda paste. Baking soda mixed with water. Next, wipe the interior with a mixture of vinegar and water to kill bacteria and remove odors. And be sure to clean the door seals where dirt and moisture accumulate. Once everything is dry, neatly organize your food. Regular cleaning helps maintain a healthy environment. Scheduling a monthly clean prevents buildup. And using a checklist ensures every part of the fridge is addressed. Number 2, deep clean your oven. Ovens tend to get greasy quickly, so remove the racks and soak them in hot, soapy water for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, spread a baking soda paste, mixing baking soda with water, evenly inside the oven, and let it sit overnight to break down the grease. The next day, wipe away the dried paste with vinegar and a damp cloth, then finish with a final wipe using clean water for extra shine. Always let the oven cool before cleaning. Wear gloves to protect your hands, and clean spills immediately to prevent stubborn stains. Number 3. Freshen up your microwave. Microwaves easily absorb food smells, so fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and lemon slices. Then heat for 3 to 5 minutes. The steam loosens grease and stains, making it easier to wipe the interior clean with a damp cloth. For an extra burst of freshness, add a spoonful of vinegar to the water before heating. Allow the microwave to cool before handling. Wipe the door and turntable thoroughly, and let the door remain open for a few minutes after cleaning to air it out. Number 4, clean your washing machine. Over time, washing machines accumulate soap residue and mold. Pour 2 cups of vinegar into the detergent drawer and run a hot cycle. Then sprinkle baking soda into the drum and run another hot cycle. After that, wipe the rubber seal with a mixture of vinegar and water to remove mold, and leave the door open to prevent moisture buildup. Running a cleaning cycle monthly, checking the detergent drawer regularly, and using a soft cloth on rubber parts will prolong the life of your machine. Number 5. Make your dishwasher smell fresh. Dishwashers can develop unpleasant odors over time, so place a cup of white vinegar on the top rack and run a hot cycle. Then, sprinkle baking soda on the bottom and run a short cycle to remove grease, odors, and buildup. Clean the filter separately under hot water and add a few drops of essential oil on a cotton ball for a fresh scent. Remove food particles before starting, perform a monthly cleaning routine, and check the spray arms for clogs to keep your dishwasher running efficiently. Number 6. Clean your coffee maker. Coffee makers can collect mineral buildup and old coffee oils, affecting the taste of your brew. Fill the water reservoir with a 1:1 mixture of vinegar and water. Run a brew cycle. Then run 2 additional cycles with clean water to remove any vinegar residue. Remove and wash the coffee pot and filter basket with warm, soapy water, and soak removable parts in vinegar for 30 minutes for a deep clean. Clean your coffee maker monthly, use distilled water if needed, and ensure all parts are dried completely before reassembling. Number 7. Refresh your mattress. Mattresses absorb sweat, dust, and odors over time, reducing their hygiene. Sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface and let it sit for 30 minutes. This helps absorb moisture and neutralize odors. Vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove both dust and baking soda residue, and spray a light mix of water with essential oils for extra freshness. Flip your mattress every 3 to 6 months. Consider using a mattress protector and air it out regularly to keep it in top condition. Number 8. Keep your kitchen sink shiny. Your kitchen sink collects food debris, grease, and bacteria every day. Rinse it with warm water, then sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface and scrub with a sponge to remove stains. Enhance the shine by rubbing half a lemon dipped in salt around the sink, and pour a mixture of vinegar and hot water down the drain to clear clogs and disinfect. Clean your sink after every meal. Use a soft sponge to prevent scratches, and dry it with a towel to avoid water spots. Number 9. Clean your trash can. Trash cans can develop bacteria, mold, and unpleasant odors despite using a trash bag. Rinse the inside with hot water and scrub with baking soda and dish soap using a sponge or brush. For a deep clean, spray vinegar inside. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Sprinkle baking soda on the bottom before placing a new bag, and add a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. Clean your trash can weekly. Allow it to dry completely before using a new bag, and consider using a disposable liner for easier maintenance. Number 10. Wash your windows. Without streaks, dirty windows can make your home appear dull, so mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray the glass. Wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth or newspaper for a streak-free shine. If needed, add a teaspoon of dish soap to tackle stubborn stains. Clean on a cloudy day to prevent the solution from drying too quickly, using circular motions for even cleaning, and finish by buffing with a dry cloth. Replace your cloth frequently, and don't forget to clean the windowsills and frames for a complete look. Number 11. Unclog your showerhead. Hard water deposits and limescale can clog your showerhead and reduce water pressure. Fill a plastic bag with vinegar, secure it around the showerhead, and let it soak for an hour. Then remove the bag and scrub the nozzles with an old toothbrush to clear any buildup. Run hot water for a minute to flush out debris, and if necessary, repeat the process or soak overnight for extra stubborn clogs. Removing the showerhead for a more thorough, clean, regular maintenance, and drying it completely before reattaching all help restore proper water flow. Number 12. Declutter your closet. A cluttered closet makes it difficult to find your belongings, so take everything out and sort your clothes into piles to keep, donate, or discard. Wipe down the shelves and vacuum the floor to remove dust. Then add a sachet of dried lavender or baking soda to keep your clothes smelling fresh. Arrange your clothes by category or color for easier access. Organize items by season, and use storage boxes for small items to maintain a tidy closet. Number 13. Clean your blinds. Blinds can quickly gather dust and lose their shine, so use a microfiber cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove the dust. Wipe each slat with warm, soapy water, and then dry with a clean cloth. For extra stubborn dirt, dip a cloth in a vinegar solution and gently wipe each slat. Regular monthly cleaning, working from top to bottom and occasionally shaking the blinds outside, helps maintain their fresh appearance. Number 14. Clean your baseboards. Baseboards along your walls often hide accumulated dust and dirt. Wipe them gently with a damp cloth and a little mild detergent, and for stubborn spots, use a soft brush before drying with a clean towel. Focusing on the corners, dust first, then wet clean, and consider painting them with washable paint for easier maintenance in the future. Clean your bathroom tiles and grout. Bathroom tiles and grout are prone to mold and grime from moisture, so scrub them with a paste of baking soda and water to remove stains. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry with a towel to prevent mildew. Pay special attention to corners and edges where mold tends to hide. Use an old toothbrush for tight spaces. Ventilate the bathroom regularly and apply a sealant to grout lines for future protection. Number 16. Polish your wooden furniture. Wooden furniture loses its natural shine from dust and spills. First, dust the surface thoroughly before applying a wood cleaner or a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice. This polish restores the natural glow and protects the wood from drying out. Work in small sections and buff with a soft cloth. Use gentle motions to avoid scratches, polish regularly to maintain a new look, and test any new product on a small area first. Number 17. Clean your ceiling fan. Ceiling fans can accumulate dust on their blades, which affects air quality. Turn off the fan and carefully wipe each blade with a damp cloth. For best results, clean both sides of the blades, use an extendable duster for hard-to-reach spots, and wipe the motor housing to remove hidden dust. Using a ladder safely, regular cleaning and extra care on both sides help keep the fan efficient. Number 18. Vacuuming and cleaning carpets. Carpets collect dust, pet hair, and stains, making them look dull if not cleaned properly. Vacuum thoroughly in multiple directions to remove all debris. Use a stain remover as soon as stains appear instead of scrubbing hard. Deep clean your carpet once a year, paying extra attention to high-traffic areas. Rotate carpets regularly to ensure even wear. Number 19. Clean or replace your air filters. Air filters in your heating or cooling systems can quickly become clogged with dust, reducing efficiency. Check them often and clean or replace when they appear dirty, following the manufacturer's guidelines. This not only improves air quality, but also saves energy, so mark your calendar for a filter check every 1 to 3 months, and consider using high-quality filters for better performance. And number 20. Freshen up your sofa and upholstery. Sofas and upholstered furniture collect dust, pet hair, and odors over time. To keep them clean and fresh, vacuum the surface and cushions every week to remove dirt and debris. For deep cleaning, sprinkle baking soda over the fabric and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes to absorb odors. Then, vacuum it off using a brush attachment. For stains, mix dish soap with warm water, dip a cloth in the solution, and gently blot the stain. Avoid scrubbing to prevent fabric damage. Let it air dry and finish with a light spray of fabric freshener or essential oil mist for a refreshing scent. And that's it. 20 quick and easy cleaning hacks to keep every part of your home fresh and spotless in just 5 minutes. With these simple tricks, you can save time, reduce effort, and enjoy a cleaner, healthier space every day. Try these hacks and let us know which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and home hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!